In today's video, I'm going to teach you to get an American Express presale code. Let's make this simple and stress-free. American Express presales are special early access windows for select events, and the key is having the right card and knowing exactly what to enter at checkout. First things first, you need an eligible American Express card. That's the main requirement. If you're not sure whether your card qualifies, check your card's benefits page or the entertainment section in your online account. Most standard consumer cards are eligible, but it's always best to confirm before tickets go on sale. When the presale opens, head to the ticketing website for the event you want. On the event page, look for the American Express presale option. You'll usually see labels like American Express Early Access or American Express Preferred Seating. You typically won't need a special or unique code in advance. Instead, when the site asks for a presale password or offer code, enter the 10-digit customer service number printed on the back of your American Express card. Type it exactly as shown with no spaces or dashes. This is the phone number associated with American Express customer service, not your card number or security code, so make sure you're entering the right one. Once your presale seats unlock, proceed to checkout and be sure to pay with your American Express card to complete the purchase. This is important. Even if the presale unlocks the tickets, the transaction generally must be completed with an Amex card to keep that access and finalize the order. Have your card handy and double check that your billing details match to avoid delays during a high demand sale. For certain events such as Amex Preferred Seating, the exact same 10-digit customer service number is used to unlock those specific seats. You'll follow the same flow, select the Amex option, enter the number with no spaces or dashes, and then pay with your American Express card at checkout. A couple of quick tips to make the process smoother. Be on the event page a few minutes before the presale starts, refresh right at the start time, and have your payment details ready. If the number doesn't work on the first try, confirm you typed all 10 digits correctly and that you chose the American Express presale option for that event. And that's it. Have an eligible American Express card, enter the 10-digit customer service number from the back of your card when prompted, and complete your purchase using that same card. You're all set to make the most of Amex presales.